So hello everyone, my name is Bharat and we are back with the new video which is finding the value of a square root of a given number. It is the problem number 69 present on LeetCode platform. So first of all take a look what this problem statement tells us. So here it is. If we are given an x is equals to 16, so we have to find out the square root of a number which is 16. So square root can be represented like this notation. It is the square root notation, and first while finding the value of the square root, first of all we have to convert this 16 into the pair, and after pairing we take out the single digit, and this is the answer. So that is how we calculate the square root of a given number. So their answer is 4. Let us take a look onto the another example. So if x is equals to 8, we can denote the square root notation like this. And when we are going to when we are checking that whether the pair is present or not for 8, so there is no pair. It means the perfect square is not possible. It means that uh, our answer is present, but it will be in a form of decimal. So let us take a look what I am saying. So as we know that square root of 4 is 2, square root of 9 is 3, but we are given an value of x equals to 8, that is the square root of 8. So square root of 8 present in between the 4 and the 9 value. So our answer is also lie between the 2 and 3. Okay, so our answer lies between 2 and 3. So for example, let us assume that our answer of square root value is this. For square root of 8, our answer is 2.749. So in the problem, it is clearly shown that we have to give our answer in lowest possible integer number. Means we have to ignore this decimal part, and only this integer part is our requirement and the answer. Okay, so how to achieve this type of answer and ignoring this type of decimal values? So we have a inbuilt function in JavaScript, that is mat.floor. Okay, so mat.floor will convert our point value into the lowest integer. For example, if we have a number 2.564, so the lowest possible integer is 2. So our answer will become 2. Okay. And now tell me what is the answer for this value. If we are converting using mat.floor function 5.984, so it will completely ignore this decimal part and give us the integer part. So in this case also our answer is 5. Okay, now tell me what will be the answer if we have a negative value, if we have a negative number inside the mat.floor. So as we know that -2 is bigger than -3. It means the lowest possible integer after round off is -3, which is the lowest. Okay, so that is how we are calculating the answer. So first of all, take a look onto the coding part also. Then this all things will be clearly understandable. Okay, so I am going to let a variable which is answer, and I am using mat.floor for ignoring the decimal part and pass the x star 0.5. So as we know that this double star is used for the power notation. So this whole thing is equals to the x raised to the power 1 by 2, which is the under root of x. So this complete thing is equals to the under root of x. Okay, so then after that I will return the answer variable. Okay, so let us check. Okay, it is running. Accepted. For the input 4, our output is 2 and expected output is also 2. So we achieved the answer. So let us take a look onto some more examples. Example test case. Okay, so accepted means all the example test case is passed. So now we can submit the code and check whether the code is working nicely or I have to change. Okay, so it is accepted with the percentage of 93 and it is faster than 93% of JavaScript solution. Okay, so we solved the answer, but there is a one tricky part that it is clearly okay. So here clearly mentioned that you are not allowed to use any built-in exponential function or operator. It means we cannot use this notation or this notation. Okay, so this POW is the power function, which is inbuilt function, and this is also a power notation. So we strictly not allowed to use these two things in our code. So now how can we achieve this type of now how can I achieve the desired output without using these two things? So now take us a look. So now So now take a look on the second approach. So in this approach, um, this is the base condition when x is 0 or x is 1. So in this case, we have to return the x itself, and if x is not 0 or 1, so it can be any number. Like in our example we take 16. So from I equal to 0, our iterator will go till x and increment by 1, and we are checking if I multiply I, which is the square of the I value, is greater than x at any point. If our I multiply I is greater than x, then it will return I minus 1, and this is the our square root. Okay, so first of all I will run the code and check whether it will pass or not. So it is accepted for the two example test case. So now it's time to submit the code. Submit it. So you can clearly see that in this second approach, I am not using any of the mentioned things. Okay, so that's all. And if you like my video, so keep support and thank you.